So, for this question, you have to remember a certain thing, and it's speed equals distance divided by time. And this triangle becomes very useful. Speed equals distance divided by time. If you want to work out speed, you cover it up. And you can clearly see you have to do the distance divided by time. So on top of each other you have to divide. Distance divided by time. Okay. When you want to work out the distance, okay, you cover it up. Clearly, as you can see, S and the T, speed and the time are next to each other. That means you have to times. So distance equals speed times time. Okay. And then the last one, if you want to work out time, you can clearly see it's distance on top of the speed, so it's distance divided by the speed. Alright, so for this question, Tom runs 15 kilometers, that's the distance, at 5 kilometers per hour, that's the speed. How long does it take? So we're working out how long, which is time. Alright, so we have to do the distance, which is 15, and we have to divide that by the speed, which is 5, which you can use your calculator for this question, but 15 divided by 5 is 3. Well, what's 3? That's 3 hours. It says it in the question. Okay. Here, Beth runs 30 kilometers and takes 2 hours. What is the speed? So, we are working out speed. Okay, so that's the distance, which is 30, divided by, because on top of it is time, which is 2, which you can use a calculator, but you shouldn't need it, which is 15. And here's the important thing, the units. Speed is the distance per time, so how long? So it's kilometers per hour. Similar concept is something called density. Science teacher and maths teacher will tell you that density is how much stuff, okay, how tightly compact something is. Okay, so for example, a sponge is has a very low density because there's lots of space in there. Okay, so and here's how you calculate it. Look, it's density equals mass divided by volume, and it works in the exact same process as speed, that triangle we had before. So here we go. A sphere has a mass of 60 kilograms and a volume of 12 meters cubed. What is its density? So working out density, so you have to do mass, which is 60, tells you in the question, divided by the volume, which is 12, which equals 5. Okay, and similar to speed, the units are kilograms per meters cubed.